Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This week's video is a makeup tutorial. I haven't done one of those in forever. For a bit, I haven't been feeling it. But you guys asked flawless like base makeup. What I usually do to make my skin look bomb AF when I put on like makeup and it's not cakey. So that's what I'm doing today. It's also the look I was wearing in my previous videos because so many of you liked that look. So this is it. I hope you guys enjoy this little look. So if you guys would like to see how I came up with this very glowy, very dewy, very flawless look, then keep on watching. Now that my brows are filled in, I'm going to take concealer to clean it up. Now since this look is like super simple and super like easy to do, we're just gonna start with the eyes, and I'm gonna use a foundation to like prime my eyes, and I'm just using like the Fenty one. Since we're going with like a light makeup look, we're not gonna like powder the eyelids and all that. We're just gonna go in with like an eyeshadow that looks like our eyelid first. I then take a deeper color and like blend that in my crease. Let me zoom you guys in so you guys can see what I'm talking about.
Oh, she's the same age as you are, but I can't stand her. She always knows everything better. She also goes regularly to Oral's class. From tomorrow, you'll be going there together. Now off to bed with you.
We're gonna go in with more of like a cool tone brown. Now that's not something I usually do because I hate cool tones, but this is what I did in that video and you guys seem to really like it. I usually spray my face with Fix Plus first, like before anything, because it like creates a surface for the foundation to like stick on your face. Look at me, because it does dry tacky. Next, I'm gonna use my NYX Point Glow Illuminator in Gleam. It's just like a rose gold liquid highlight. I mix it with like my facial oil or my moisturizer, or in this video we're gonna use my Fenty primer.
Very noxious and had a terrible.
As you can see now, it's given me some sort of like a glow. I'm ready for like my foundation. Remember, the look we're going for is dewy and glowy and like fresh, youthful skin. Now next, the foundation that I absolutely love whenever I'm doing this look is the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow foundation. This foundation is so lightweight. First of all, it just melts into the skin and it gives you this beautiful like dewy finish that I absolutely love. This is like one of my favorite foundations. I love it. It's so natural. I love it. Now sometimes I could go with this like semi-matte. It's not fully matte, which I absolutely love, so it does have that like glowy finish, and I love how like the finish of this foundation is just something else. But today we're going to use Trusty. Now this foundation is so liquidy, so I just like usually dot it on my face.
He had a light concussion a few days later.
After I spread it now with the brush very well, take my beauty blender and then I just,
a few days later.
as you can see, it's so dewy and nice. Now the coverage is a medium, so if you want to like get a full coverage over like your problem areas, you can just add that and let it dry a bit and then blend it out. Use any concealer, to be honest. I really like my NARS Creamy Radiant Concealer. Creamy Radiant Concealer. It's one of my favorite concealers. It's so creamy, it doesn't crease. That's why I love it. It's like creaseless, but I love this. This is like a substitute for me. The Colourpop one, which is way cheaper. I've talked about this before in my haul video, so you guys go check it out if you haven't.
After he had recovered, he experienced a massive thunderstorm.
What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna set a bit like under my eye, because I do crease so much under here. That's where I'm gonna target the powder. I'm gonna finish the rest of the eye before we move on to the rest of the face, because the face is like the focal point of this whole look. So let me get back to you guys when I'm done with my eyes. Now that we're done with the eyes, we're gonna move to the face. Now this whole glowy look is like mostly based around bronzing your face and blushing yourself. It's just giving you that flush, you know what I mean? So bronzing plays a big role in this. Now the warm tones of the bronzers usually give you that flushed like sun-kissed look. Since we have a large variety of like blush shades here, you want to pick like, I don't know, just give I like all types of blushes, but I have different vibes when it comes to blushes, if that makes sense. What I do with blush is I usually pick like a mauvey shade, which is this one. It's like a nice mauvey shade, and then I usually mix it with like a brighter one. This one now is like a matte blush, and this one is like a shimmer blush, so I mix those two.
Oh, she's the same age as you.
I don't know if you can tell, but she blushing or whatever. I usually also put the blush around my nose. I don't know, it's weird. It's something weird that I do, but I feel like it looks so cute. It just looks like a natural-ish, more believable. Do you get me? It's not that noticeable, but it's there. You know, it looks like I'm blushing. Now I go back in with this bad boy and then set my face before highlight. Now this spray I've talked about a bunch of times, but I hope it just marries everything together on your face into one synced in a flawless look. Wow, I look so good. Now let me put on my lashes, because you guys know my looks are never complete without lashes, and then I'll be right back. Now that we're done with the eyes, I'm going to take this brown lip liner and just like feeling kidogo too. Okay, I then go in with the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Abu Dhabi, just like a really neutral lip color that I really like. So we're gonna do a final spray of the Hangover RX. I can never get over how good this thing smells. And that's basically it for this look. It's just a nice glowy natural, one of my favorite looks. This is like my go-to look. I absolutely love it. So that's it, that's the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new to my channel, or if you haven't already. It's fun, it's free. We always have a good time around here, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Mwah. Bye guys.
I can't stand her. She always knows everything better. She also goes regularly to Oral's class. From tomorrow, you'll be going there together. Now off to bed.